Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your EXL Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search EXL Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to sts.exlservice.com. It will then take you to the login portal of EXL Payroll. There, enter your organizational account, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your EXL Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.